at that. Abandoned and tossed aside like some cheap comic. Who would do... Hello, Marie.
Hiya, Muffin. What a coinky-dink. I was just thinking about you.
Please refrain from touching me. Thank you.
I'll touch you whenever I want, buddy boy. What is it this time?
Oh, yes. Could I trouble you for a cup of sugar?
He wants to share condiments. Let's play.
Perhaps this wasn't such a good idea.
Don't you worry about that.
You don't suppose that this could be a date?
In a weird kind of way.
I've read about these encounters. Its maneuvers are quite tricky. At least that's what I've read.
Yeah, quit flapping your yap.
Yap, yap, blah, blah, dribble, dribble, dribble.
So cute.
Behave yourself.
Cutie Pie's gonna love my new hairdo.
This is quite a pickle.
Notice anything new?
Damn it.
Check again, Jedi. Pucker up, Oven Mitch.
Something like a moment's rest. Vortex of impending doom!
Here comes your prize.
I no longer see the merit of this endeavor.
Big
I was kind of hoping my first kiss would be enjoyable.